Are you married to a US citizen and you've already filed your immigration case based on being married, and now your US citizen spouse wants to cancel your case? I want to talk about this situation in this video. My name is Ashley. I'm an immigration attorney. I've been practicing immigration law for 13 years. I have two office locations, one in California and the other in Oregon. However, my team and I assist our clients virtually because they're located all over the United States. All right, so this is an extremely common question that I get in consultations. Situation where somebody is married to a US citizen, they've already got their immigration case pending, and now their US citizen spouse is saying that they want to cancel the case, they no longer want to move forward with it. And the immigrant wants to know, is there anything they can do in this situation? Now, when I hear something like this, the first thing that I think about is what else is going on in the marriage that would make the US citizen spouse want to cancel the case. And the majority of the time, there are other things happening. So I typically will start screening the immigrant for a potential VAWA case. Now, a VAWA case in immigration is for an undocumented immigrant who is married to a US citizen or a lawful permanent resident, and they are experiencing abuse or extreme cruelty in their marriage. And often what comes up is that the immigrant is experiencing various forms of abuse and mistreatment in their marriage to their US citizen spouse who is now wanting to cancel their immigration case. Often the US citizen spouse is wanting to cancel the case as a way to manipulate, to control, and to intimidate their immigrant spouse. And so the short answer to this question is that yes, a US citizen spouse can cancel an immigration case where they are the petitioner. That's to say they could contact immigration to say that they want to withdraw the petition. They no longer want to move forward with the application process for their spouse's green card. However, there is an option in many cases for the immigrant to still continue with their green card application, but using the VAWA law in immigration. So again, VAWA is based on the immigrant being a victim of abuse or certain extreme forms of mistreatment by their US citizen spouse. And what they can do is switch their case to be one that's filed under VAWA, which does not require any help or cooperation from their US citizen spouse. So there is still hope in a lot of these situations where an immigrant has a spouse who is wanting to cancel their case. There is still hope, assuming that the immigrant is experiencing abuse or mistreatment in their marriage to their spouse, and that is one of the reasons that their spouse is now wishing to cancel their immigration case. So if you are watching this video and you are perhaps in this kind of a situation, please reach out to us to talk to us in private, confidentially about your case to see if it's possible to maybe switch it to a VAWA case so that you can continue your green card petitioning process, but without having to have any help from your US citizen spouse. You can contact us at 760-812-3778.